Hey everybody, here we need to talk about the tail OS. Actually, what is a tail OS? Tail OS is the operating system which built for the privacy specially. It only built for the privacy purpose. It have no more functionality and properties. So you need to open the browser and search here download tails. Let me open the new tab and search here download tail OS and press enter. So you find this tails.boum.org. Install tail. Click on this site and you find the tail OS interface like this. You have Windows, Mac OS, Linux and terminal base option of tail OS. Even the terminal base can run in your inside your Linux like in Kali Linux. So for this purpose you need to firstly you need to download this tail OS and it is completely free. I choose Linux and then you have a tail OS image for the USB and you have a BitTorrent option also. But let's say if I want to download the ISO file to boot this operating in the virtual machine, then how can I do this? Open the new tab and search here download tail OS ISO file and press enter. So download and verify for USB sticks. So tail, this is the same website, but from this link I can got the ISO file here. Download TLS USB image. You can see it again. Give me the image file.img. I need to find the ISO image. So here I got the option to use tail as a virtual machine or burn into a tail DVD. Download our ISO image. Click on this option and you have download tail OS ISO image. So you need to download this file. I click on it and my download will be started soon. And I'm going to cancel it because I already downloaded this file. Delete and delete from history also. Let me show you where I download this file already. So I go to the downloads and I need to find here tail OS. Let me find here and here I have both files like .img file and .iso. So I suggest you if you are create a bootable USB then you need to use this one. But if you want to boot this into a virtual machine like VirtualBox or VMware, then you need to choose this one. Tail ISO file. So let me boot this file into the virtual machine. Here is the VirtualBox. So you can also use a virtual machine and VirtualBox, but currently the VirtualBox is installed in my system. So I choose this one. Here, click on new name tail OS. Then you need to choose where you want to save this virtual machine. Keep data. Then ISO image. Select. Choose this option. Other. And go to your downloads. Then choose this tail OS ISO. Open. And other all thing will be automatically set by default in the tail OS. Then click on next in the VirtualBox. You have a password. Change me. Repeat password. Change me. Username VBox user. You can set it manually like VBox user like tail OS. Tail OS. And I also want to set the password tail OS. Tail OS. And this is also here. The password is matched. Now don't touch any other things. Simply click on next. Okay, it required install in background or some other verification from you. Then the next option will be visible to you. Alright, so in the host name you don't need to add the space option. So I only add tail for the host name. Now click on next. Allocate the memory like RAM. So I want to give the 1.5 gigabytes of RAM to this, and I want to give the half of my processor cores to it. like 4 codes. Then click on next. Don't check this option like EFI special OSS only. Click on next. I want to give the 24 gigabytes of storage to this machine. You can give minimum 5 gigabytes to boot it as a live system. Use an existing virtual hard disk file. Now, click on next, and this is a summary of your system. Then click on finish, and your image is ready to boot. Back click on it and start normal start. Now your machine is power up. To machine fail to boot caused by a missing operating system or misconfiguring my boot order. Mounting an operating system installed DVD might solve this problem. Select an ISO file. Alright, we need to select a file ISO file here again. Other tailOS. Open. Mount and retry boot. Let's take a try one more time. Okay, so it is accepted. Cancel it. Close this, and your tailOS will be booted automatically. Let me expand the window of tailOS. It is under loading because it tried to boot. Normally it can take 5 minutes to complete the boot, but maybe in the virtual machine, maybe it can take lower time than the 5-6 minutes. And the system is booted now. Okay, let's talk that what is a tailOS actually, and what is the benefit of this tailOS. Okay, so you need to set up this tailOS language, keyboard, formats, create persistent storage. So for after starting Tails, you want to create it or not, it's your choice. I don't want to create it. And then you have additional option, click on plus icon, you have offline mode and some other options for the network setting. And then you have shutdown and start tail option. So simply click on start tails if you set it. And it is connected to the internet through the VirtualBox NAT adapter. That NAT adapter is connected to my Kali Linux operating system, which have the internet access through my this Wi-Fi network. Okay, let's wait until the tailOS is boot completely. It's still in the booting mode. And I think now it is booted completely. And that's it. It is work. So it required the Tor connection. Why it has happened? Because this full system is based on Tor network, not just a Tor browser, not just the onion share, not just the Tor client of a terminal. This full system, this complete system is based on the Tor network, Tor connection. So connect to Tor automatically or hi to my local network that I'm connecting to the Tor. So if you want to only the Tor service, use the Tor services inside the Tor browser, then you need to check this option. And if you want to connect to your complete system to the Tor browser, then you need to check this option. So if you click on this activities, applications, these services are available in your system like Tor browser, Tor connection, persistent storage, tail documentation, tail installer, and some other option like favorites are this one, accessories, which is available in the TailOS is files GTK hash, keep pass exe, Cleopatra, metadata cleaner, then image viewer and image editor, GNU image manipulation program, Inkspace, LibreOffice, then internet for onion share, onion circuits, Electrum, Bitcoin wallet. And these all services are by default installed in this TailOS. Then unsafe browser, Thunderbird, Pigeon Internet Messenger, and Office, sound and videos, Audacity, audio and video player, then system tools like Synaptic Package Manager, settings, additional softwares, backup persistent storage, which is completely safe, completely encrypted, root terminal, power statistics, tail installer, then tails option, some and utilities, screenshot, system monitor terminal, unlock VeraCrypt volumes. It can crack your VeraCrypt volumes or it can access to your VeraCrypt volume through the specific key, archive manager, disks, and these material are available in your system. Then you have places like your file manager, computer, Tor browser, browser network, and some other options. Then you have Tor connection. So I like to choose this one. Configure a Tor bridge. No. Here you have brightness option. It is a volume option. I'm connected to a Ethernet connection through a wired connection. Lock screen, suspend, restart, power off. Your language option, accessibility option. Then onion, open onion circuits, and everything that you expect from the onion services. Alright. So I choose this one and then I need to choose the next option. Alright, so I choose workspace 2. Click here and close this one, Tor connection. And this is your first workspace. Now if I click on application, favorites, Tor connection, connect to Tor, here. Alright. Click on activities and close this one. Then you have Tor browser option, which is by default installed in this TailOS. It again requires a Tor connection. And I don't know why my system is not in the full screen. Let me try it again. Let me find here the option settings. So I find a system settings. Click on setting and let me uh, let me increase the resolution of this TailOS, because this is the by default window for the privacy reasons. Close it. Again launch the setting here. So click on display here. Displays, and I set my resolution up to like this one. Apply, and now so keep changes. Alright, this one. Now I need to close the settings from here and launch the Tor services again. like Tor connection. Okay, so click on Tor automatically and connect to Tor, synchronizing the system clock. It try to attempt to connect to Tor without the bridge. Connect to Tor successfully. Start Tor browser if you want to start it from here, or view Tor client circuits. Alright, you can start Tor browser from here, and even you can start the Tor browser from here. So this is the Tor circuits options. Let me start the Tor browser again from here. Now your full system have Tor access enability. That's why the Tail OS is a really secure operating system. Okay, so click on applications. This system is slow because I'm running this Tail OS in my virtual machine and my RAM is maximum up to 4 gigabytes. That's why it is slow too much. You need to wait for it here. I think my system is stuck because I launched the Tor browser multiple times. One Tor browser, second Tor browser, third Tor browser. So I need to close all the extra. Okay, close the existing Tor browser tabs. Okay, here you have Tails option. I need to close this Tor browser again. And one is enough for this purpose. Here. So click here to set the security of the maximum level. Click on this security icon and then change the security. Set the security level safest. And for search, use DuckDuckGo Onion search engine. This one. Now your Tor browser is ready to use. Google.com. Press enter. It requires the verification definitely. Google. Search on the DuckDuckGo.com. Okay, you have option download. I mean, I need to show the virtual box. here. So let me launch the Tor browser again. Currently only the Tor connection is working. Applications, Tor browsers. Okay, you can see here the Tor browser does not require the connection like Tor to connect to Tor network. It automatically open without the connection, because when I launch this Tor connection, so it gave the Tor connection to all my system, to every file, anything or everything. And that's why. And also one more thing, now everything is connected to the Tor browser inside this tail OS. So you can see now if I type here Ahmia, which is a dark web search engine. Okay, close this one. Till the web page is loaded, let's take a look on the another applications for privacy. So if you click on persistent storage, okay, here is the Ahmia search engine. I click on it. Okay, it is again stuck because of low RAM. Okay, persistent storage is here. So you can see in the start of this video, in the middle of this video, before from uh, 10 min 10 minutes earlier than this, because during the installation of or during the configuration of the TailOS in the virtual box, it asks from me that you want to set the storage or not. So I uncheck this option, keep uncheck. So that's why this persistent storage is not working. So it is impossible to create storage on this device because I does not allow it. Now cancel it. So what is persistent storage? Everything you do disappear automatically when you shut down Tails, but you can save some file in configuration in an encrypted persistent storage on your Tail USB stick. For example, you document your Wi-Fi password, your browser bookmark history. So that is the benefit of it. The next is, let me click on this Cleopatra. What is this? Let's search about it. Okay, I think you check the Tor browser here. Now I need to close it. Here is the Cleopatra. You need to search about it on the Google, that what is the Cleopatra, what is used for it. Close the Tor browser also. Open in terminal. TLOs have also the terminal access. Okay, because this is a Linux, so you can install any tool of this operating system into your Kali Linux. You just need to face some troubles in some tools only. So ls sudo su. All right, iw config or if config. not find. So click on applications again, accessories. We have key, password, XG, GTK hash, files, metadata, and you have onion share, onion circuits, electron, Bitcoin wallet. It is a completely encrypted Bitcoin wallet and it is safe. Onion circuits, pigeon internet messenger. Okay, let's try this one. Welcome to pigeon. Add, add account, IRC, Google Talk or XMPP. So keep it by default. Then username, JSON, irc.freenode.net, password, JSON also. Add. Okay. Account is created. So reconnect, modify account. What is the error? I need to edit my username. Let's type here ddnmm. Password is also ddnmm. Save. Now reconnect. Modify account. Change to Google Talk or keep it IRC. Danny. Okay, this is available. All right. Now close it. Maximize it. Buddies. Or let's talk with this account. ddnmm. Then tools option. Help. Buddies. Offline. New status. Download my data and send me. Save and use. Okay, that's it. Close this one and choose another application. You have onion share option that you already know that how to use it. Here, saved files, share file, and publish website option. It is already enough onion share, not the latest. Application, internet, Thunderbird, Messenger, onion circuits. Okay, these are the Tor relays and onion circuit on which the Tor network is built. Close it, click application again, internet, and unsafe browser. Actually, in this system have two browser. The first one is main browser, which is Tor browser, and secondly it have a unsafe browser, same like the normal browser like Google, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge, etc. Last option, Electrum Bitcoin wallet. Persistence is disabled for Electrum launch. It means you also need to enable the persistent storage for this one, the encrypted storage, and then you can access to your Bitcoin wallet. Okay, both take too much time to load. So I hope you learn a lot from it, that what is the use of TailOS and how TailOS keep you secure and anonymous all the time from all over the internet, anywhere in the world, and you are be anonymous here. And if you use the hardware based VPN and then use this TailOS, then you are completely anonymous. Okay, now close. I want to shut down this system. That's the enough talk for this system. Thank you so much, guys. Let me close it from here. Okay. Okay, it is completed. Now I can easily close my all browsers, and that's it. You learn that how to use a TailOS. That's it for this video. Thank you so much, guys. Now see you in the next lecture.